in terms of the information from the data, where did I get the data from? Now, if you guys are looking to work on some projects for your own, for your portfolios, one really good source of information for data for your projects is a site called Dubai Pulse. So this is basically almost all of the entities within Dubai, government entities within Dubai, they publish their data on this particular website. So just let me pull that up for you so that you can have a look. So are you able to see my screen? Has it changed from the PowerPoint
Yes.
presentation from, yeah? So if you guys are looking to build portfolios for your potential employers, so this is one really good place where you can get data for your projects. Another place where you can get a good amount of data is from the Singapore government's statistics website. So they also have a similar kind of portal where they make available different kinds of information, which you can probably find use cases for and create a portfolio for yourself. All right. Now, in my case, the data that I used is the one that's published by KHDA. It is again available on the site, but for ease of use, I'm just going to show you where it is on KHDA's own website. KHDA stands for the Knowledge and Human Development Authority. So they're responsible for regulating any education in whether it is nurseries, whether it is schools, whether it's higher education. This is the government body that's responsible for regulating the sector in Dubai. All right. So if you come to this website, they have these three files that they make available for you conveniently in an Excel format that you can download. And if I open the file, I just downloaded it beforehand, and you can have a look at the wealth of information they already give you, right? They're giving you the name of the school, they're giving you where the location, they're giving you where they are currently located, right? And they're giving you the latitude, the longitude, the curriculum that they're offering, the school website, the grades they're offering, the year established, and there's something called the DSIB rating. So what HDA also does is it periodically every year it inspects different schools across Dubai, across various category to give a kind of a rating on the quality of education that they offer. Okay, so this is so they have this also available, and they're given historical information for it, and likewise they're given the enrollment numbers for each year of the school that for each year that they have been active in. And if you go into the second tab, they also give you, or any one of those tabs, they also give you the tuition fee that's available for each of those grades. So this is basically the kind of information that you have available that's straight away available from the government of Dubai, and this kind of served as the basis for my project, right?